What's we on?
Y'all 9.
This is 9? I should about to fall off.
YouTube, what's good? What's hood? Y'all already know it's your boy No Play, man. Checking in on the ones and the twos. Man, hope y'all watched my new video yesterday, man. I'm editing this vlog on this other vlog I got every day. It's kind of new to me. I'm trying not to make it too long. You feel me? But man, just stay tuned for it. I'm gonna drop it Friday. You feel me? But hey, when Kyle and Yachty link up, bro, it's always I gotta duo, man. I ain't gonna do too much talking, man. Let's get straight into the video.
Bring Chris in real quick. Hold on, Johnny, we're gonna do this real quick, bro.
You was asleep, bro. You was upstairs asleep, bro.
Look at me, hey.
How's
me first?
Everybody, no, guest goes first.
I ain't did nothing wrong.
No, this is just for you, gang. This is for the whole Creek. Yo, Creek, pull up.
Huh?
Hold on. What is that going from?
In our own house, you telling us to do this?
This is crazy.
Bro, what? Hell no. Come on.
But didn't we win some kind of game earlier?
Yeah.
No. This is a segment that everybody just does. I mean, come on here.
All right.
So yeah.
Hey, chat, who is Ty the Cop? They like best friends or from like childhood friends or something? Tyler. I need to figure out who is Ty.
No, it's not a punishment. Everybody just does this.
Chat, everybody did this?
Yes.
Chat, everybody did this?
Everybody has done this, bro. Everybody has done this. Yes.
You did this before?
Yeah.
Alright, you gotta do it. You gotta do it today.
I'm gonna try to be my high score.
What's your high score?
Level 10 is like crazy. Like level 10 is like insane. And I think mine's like 8.
Somebody did level 10
I
before?
do it. I think it's like this. I'm trying.
Somebody did level 10 before?
I did it. I just heard.
You did it?
I just did it.
Wait, what's the
You do it again?
What's the starting level?
No.
So this one's a little bit different.
Again.
So like, the 10 he did is basically a 20. So it goes from 1 to 25.
I start low, right?
You start at 1. Everybody starts at 1. So we could either do it where y'all both do it together and see who can keep going the longest.
Oh.
Or we can do it where y'all go
Yeah,
one by
when you
one.
blow, don't blow it out.
It should be people who ain't did it. I don't want to do it. He done done it before. Who ain't did it?
It's hard.
Oh, good one, Ian? No, I think you should go by yourself first. Yeah, come on.
Hey, we used to do that for, bruh.
Hold on, don't do predicts. Do predicts when we about to play 2K.
It's called like STEM. I ain't never knew
Ready to
those.
do it? Oh, I don't think.
Hey, we used to do that back in we should call it like STEM. We should do it for like football and shit.
I don't think Rave done this.
But can I sit like down or not?
Yeah, you can sit right down.
I see.
You gonna go nice and slow, alright?
Hey, have y'all listened to that new Concrete Boys tape with Yachty and all his guys? It's some 5 songs on there. He just should never had that girl. Oh no.
You don't feel nothing? You might not feel nothing until we get to like 6, 7.
Like, yeah.
Light.
What do you feel?
Still ain't letting us laugh. It's making them laugh.
She got 4 right now.
Yeah, alright.
Tingle.
Let me know when you're ready to go to 5.
Wait, no, don't go to 6 yet. Hold on.
Wait!
I don't know, go to 6. It's supposed to be like, what is like on a period or something?
It's
like cramps.
Chad's Crips, right?
Yeah, it's like cramps.
Why I keep saying volume?
Water bottle?
Now we're gonna do the water.
But we doing that after, Chad. Hold on.
What are we on?
We on 6.
7? 7
Bro, like 15 hurt, bro.
It's supposed to like.
Press it like
There's no way he on 7. He not panicking,
you
bro.
hold it down. That's when I felt it the most. When you press it.
Nah, he gonna
They
get
said
there.
the volume is low.
I feel it.
He's
I
gonna
feel
get
it.
there.
This is tingling. Come on, 8 pounds.
We gonna keep you.
I don't feel nothing.
You
It's
good?
just tingling. Unless it's, wait, you pressed it a couple times. What was
I
that? What you
put
doing
it
to
to
it?
13.
Why? I know you can't.
Not be on my slide.
Don't do that.
There you go. Press on that motherfucker.
No way that's for girls, bro. That's not. That's not.
Never
That's
watch
not.
Yo!
That's not.
Yo,
that shit no joke for me.
You went to 13?
I went to the, he said, I don't feel nothing.
How much is that?
That was 13.
No, it's 13?
Yeah.
But that's scary.
All right, you wanna go?
I can't even explain it.
Come
bro.
on, you
It's
good,
like,
gang?
Damn.
Yeah.
sit there, bro.
Yeah, sit here, right?
Ray finna be, he finna react. And he don't even feel nothing. Watch this.
It's like this, right?
No, that's not. My bad, bro.
Yeah, Ray.
You ready? Yeah. Right now we're at 1.
What level you going to?
Ready? 2?
13. Yeah.
Alright, we're going to 2. Ready?
Anything else?
Good, good?
I'm good right now. I'm just good right now.
How you feel? Do it out.
7, you good?
That's why he fan. They vaping.
What the?
I can't
Chill.
tell.
I put it back down to 9.
I 10.
10.
At Chris, look at Chris.
Easy. This thing goes up to 25. 11, you ready? Go up.
What you want, man?
Yes. 11.
11.
He on 10 right now.
Ooh.
11.
He wanna beat you, Yachty.
Ready? 12.
Snitch.
13.
Nah, but he skipped me to 15, like 7.
Is he pressing on?
He doing this
We
slow
at?
climb.
What number you at right now?
Yeah, I'm on 13 or some shit, bro.
Press on him. Press on him.
Say 15. So that means go to 18. Go to 18. Skip him.
What? Yo,
Oh,
yo.
no, my bad.
Press them on your stomach.
Yeah.
No, leave it.
He might be cheating.
Oh,
Because he's afraid of it.
that's Sersky. It's what we do, man.
You understand? It's slow climb.
Hey, Kai done changed Ray whole life, bruh.
This has nothing to do.
Hey, man, new pack just came in, so y'all stay tuned. I'm dropping 420, bruh. 420, that pack coming in. I gotta do me a shoot. Oh, snap. Gotta make some calls, man. Try to set me up a photo shoot. If you a model, or if you interested in being a model, hit my DM, Wolf Nation C, or hit my personal DM, NOPLAY_KJ, and send me some pictures and send why you want to model for my brand. Looking to grow, looking to explore different people.
I'm done. Now you did good though, gang.
Something about that
Fucking
was
shit.
Yo, that's light. That's light.
Now, let me see if I can do this though. Yeah.
This is the hard one.
This the OD hard shit.
Let me go first.
That shit make your heart.
Ah! Come on,
Come
bro.
on, bro. It's still on, bro. There you go.
You got 2 of them?
Who's
got
drinking
Twitter?
water with her?
Now I'm scared to put this
try
shit
it, let me
on,
try
bro.
it.
You good.
That's the arm?
Yeah, it's the hardest part right here. Wait, that shit actually feel like electrocution.
Not over.
That 4 hours. That shit was there for like
It do?
2. Yeah.
Chill, not that far.
Bruh, imagine having to do this on your hamstring, bro. We had to do that for football, right? You pull a hamstring, you going straight to the stem table, hot. Then they like rub your leg down with like some gel. That shit feels so good. You be about that bash. Nah, I'm just playing though. But it do feel good. You be able to about to sleep. Then next thing you know, they hit you with that. Slap that pad on there. Slap them pads on there. But where it hurt worse if you got hair on your leg. When they pull it off,
Not his turn.
they're like, I'm gonna pull it off slow, slow, slow. Oh my god. Like, nah, I snatched that jump straight off.
Yeah. Is that gonna get all the way over there, y'all? We did them shit.
Alright, we going up 2 Punga.
Yo, when you put this shit on like your dick or something, what does it do?
When we get to
Whoa.
5, when we get to 5,
Pause.
that's when we have to
Pause.
Punga 3, Kai 3, Punga 4,
Faces.
Punga 5, Punga 6, Kai 6.
Coach.
It should not stick to my arm, gang.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, this shit is turned off.
It should not stick to my arm, gang.
Can I move this? Wait, when I say stop, you gonna stop, right?
Ah.
Alright, y'all both have 5. Alright. Punga 6, Kai 6.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Bruh, it's not that bad.
Wait.
Sip.
Alright, Punga 7, Kai 7. 6.
Pause. Oh my god. Y'all don't gotta do that, bro.
Go. What we on?
Y'all 9.
This is 9?
My shit about to fall off.
Kai 10.
I don't feel nothing.
I felt that.
Oh!
Oh, it's like when it goes to his side, it stops my side.
Punga 11. Boy, Punga, drink, nigga.
I am drinking.
Drink.
I don't feel nothing.
I feel that shit.
Put it, like, wrap it that way. Yeah. Oh. Nah.
Switch it from my side.
Alright, go.
It's on the same side.
From my side.
It's on 12 for both of y'all.
What are we on, 12?
12.
Nigga, this shit is...
Stop saying that, bro. It is not.
13.
But who bought... You just hit me? But who bought this... But this... What the...
He mad, ain't he?
No.
Chill out, gang.
14. Y'all 14 each.
Bro,
I
max that
think I'm
bitch out.
50 also.
Max it out?
Yeah. Max 25.
I'm not so this shit is ass compared to
This shit
everything.
literally fucking fell off.
Compared to what we used before, this shit is ass. Compared to what we used before, this shit's ass. Literally, chat.
Yo, that
This is... Bro.
I
Definitely good for the
can't
stomach.
do that. That really took.
Bro, that ass. Ah! Stop doing that, nigga. Take that shit off me, bro. Alright, let's get to 2K, bro. Fuck all that shit, bro. Yeah, get the fuck out of here, bro. Go get you some good shit. Quick shit. Ass. Get him out of here, chat. Yo, L simulator, chat. L simulator.
Hey man, W video man, shout out to boy Kyle Yachty, man. Hey man, but like I said, if you do want to model for my brand, hit my DMs right now, Wolf Nation C. I be more active on my NOPLAY_KJ, my personal page, but if you hit me about some business on my Wolf Nation C account, I will get to you. I get both notifications. So I'm looking for models. I'm looking for people that want to grow their self out. So I'm looking to help somebody else grow and potential grow me and potential sign you a contract. Come join the culture, babe. Or come join the culture, little brother. You feel me? I can come over here to the winning team. You know, one nation under God. You feel me? But hey, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Roll to 100 subs, man. This your boy NOPLAY, checking out on the 3s and the 4s. God did. Yeah, I'm out.